Guys, Tommy here with Tommy's School of Real Estate. It's an exciting day, guys. We're announcing our release of our new course webinar, and we're going to be sharing with you some of our secret strategies that we've used in the past year or so to grow our wholesaling business to over 7 figures. Now, these strategies have never been shared with anyone before, and I'm going to actually show you some of these strategies today. Now, also, when we started out like I'm sure most of you did, with driving for dollars. And driving for dollars works. It worked for us. It worked very quickly. So I sat down with my team and I said, how can we scale this? How can we 10x driving for dollars to really grow our business? So my team and I got together, and this first strategy I'm going to be sharing with you, we came up with, is called skydollars, and I'm going to show you how that works, and then I'm going to share with you the next strategy that we built on top of that one, which is called airdrop. And I think you're going to love these strategies, and I'm excited to share them with you. See you soon. We just got takeoff clearance here, so we're about to go down start this airdrop strategy. Box of 15,000 flyers in the back here. I want to be as soon as we see some blue roofs over some low income neighborhoods, we're going to be dropping the flyers out the window. A low pass. We're going to call air traffic control and get a low altitude pass and start throwing the flyers. We want to be heading into the wind so the flyers fall behind right there. There's a few more over here. Quite a few more. As you can see, the road easy to spot from the air. It'll take you all day to drive around. Some of these neighborhoods, I just farm the whole neighborhood. Zero mailing costs. Very effective. We'll be dropping flyers. See all the blue roofs out there? Look at that. Flying for dollars, baby. A couple of our new secret strategies that I've given to you, And of course, I've only given you the basics. Like I said, we do flying for dollars and airdrop. So like I said, we started out with the flying for dollars, and we were using the Deal Machine app. And like I said, it can be really hard to drop the pins. You know, it takes time, and you know, send mailers in the right place, dropping the pins on the map when you're cruising at, you know, 80, 100 knots. So that's when we got the idea to just, you know, let's go ahead and just skip the whole mail part, and when we see you know, just find the neighborhoods, and when we see the blue roofs, we just throw the damn flyers out the window. So that's what I did today. I brought 15,000 flyers up there with me, but I only dropped about 7,000. It was more of a scenic flight today, but I figured I'd do a few drops while I was up there. So as you can see from the video, I know it was very loud, you couldn't hear me talking, but it was quite a few good neighborhoods with quite a few blue roofs. But in my upcoming webinar on my course, I'm going to be teaching you the full strategy, and how effective it is. I'm already getting calls. I got my phone on silent right now because I'm already getting calls. As soon as I get back on the ground, I'm getting calls from motivated sellers. But we've got it. We're coming out with a new app, the flying, you know, I call it SkyDollars app, and there's a lot more to the strategy that I'm going to be teaching you in my course. And if you subscribe below and sign up to my email list, I'm going to be sending you information on the course, because you got to think about it. First of all, you got to find the right neighborhoods. You got to you know, plan your flights. And then there's a lot about the flight itself, because you want to be, when you get, you know, flying over the neighborhood to drop the flyers, you want to be flying into the wind. You want to be at a certain airspeed, certain altitude. You got to get clearance from the ATC to get in low, to get that low altitude pass. And so there's a lot to it. But the app's going to help with the flight planning. You want, you know, the number of flyers per acre, and all that kind of thing. So, but this works. You know, think about the cost of sending out those 7,000 mailers. You're talking about thousands of dollars in postage fees and all that. And we just, for the cost of, you know, when you start out, you know, you got to rent a Cessna, but you're looking at about $125 for an hour, and you can drop a lot of flyers in an hour. Whereas, when, you know, once you get a few deals under your belt, you buy your own Cessna, like I did. And we go up, you know, a couple times a week and drop 15,000 flyers, no postage, immediate calls. And like I said, I don't know if you could hear me in the air. I was saying, you know, sometimes the authorities frown on a little bit when, you know, sometimes they land all over the lawns and things like that, but, you know, it works. But you got to use call rail. You got to make sure the number on those flyers that you're dropping is a call rail number. This way it can't be traced to you. And so after, you know, a few weeks of dropping, or if you get a call from the authorities or something like that, you just go in, log into call rail, change your number, change it. It's a done deal. So anyway, like I said, subscribe below to my course and learn all about the strategy. It's made me a rich man. And I look forward to mentoring others.